Stunning double palazzo. Total width, 18 inches. Mark center point. Waistband margin, 2 inch. Waist width, 6.5 inch. Mark, 12 inch. Mark, 1.5 inch. Waist width, 6.5 inch. Total length, 39 inch. Bottom hem, 0.6 points. Match waist width, 6.5 inch measured, with bottom hemline. Total length, 39 inch. It's half, 19.5 inch. Center point of total length. Knee size, 2.5 inch. Width, 8 inch. Mark, ½ inch. Cut it along the drawn pattern. Lining fabric cutting done. Now, take net to make its double layer. Measured, 0.6 points. Cut it along the lining measurements. Double palazzo cutting done. Stitch along the side edges. Wrong side. Stitch along the side edges. Stitch along the side edges. Wrong side. Stitch along the side edges. After stitching, Stitch along the side edges. After stitching, stitch the crotch seam. Stitch the elastic.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.